Nothing beats the DJI Pocket 2 when it comes to having a small device that produces steady videos, the best Pocket Studio available. It offers excellent performance in a compact design. And according to recent rumors, its successor, the DJI Pocket 3, may even surpass their triumph thanks to all the newest and best additions to this already compact body factor. What then are these upgrades that have the potential to revolutionize the shooting community for handheld mobile devices? Let's dive in and find out. Well, it's been over 2 years in the DJI Pocket 2 was released. In this time frame, we've seen several fan-made mock designs, expectations, and ideas from the community. But the most incredible information we could gather was from DJI itself. The design pattern drawing of the DJI Pocket 3 reveals that the device has only 2 buttons on its back, but the camera area has undergone significant changes. It appears to have a square camera module similar to the DJI Action camera module. The pattern also suggests that the back of the camera module may have a screen, indicating that the DJI Pocket 3 could feature a dual-screen design. As of now, it's unclear what benefits the dual-screen design of the DJI Pocket 3 will offer. It's possible that the 2 screens could display different types of content. However, since the camera module of the DJI Action 2 already has a size of 1 by 1.7 inches, it's unlikely the DJI Pocket 3 will be able to accommodate a 1-inch sensor, unless the overall size of the device is increased. So, will we miss that 1-inch sensor? First of all, it's just a marketing trick by the camera manufacturers. In reality, a 1-inch type image sensor with a 4:3 aspect ratio is a 12.8mm horizontal, 9.6mm vertical, and 16mm diagonal, far from that 1-inch measurement. I mean, granted, small sensors will be great for powerful video quality. It would be advantageous for DJI Pocket 3 to support 4K video recording at 120 FPS, just like the DJI Action 2. Moreover, it'll be next level if it could support 2.7K recording at 240 FPS, and even 1080 at 480 FPS for some fun, ultra-slow motion shots. But this time the DJI Pocket 3 should come with a built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, rather than requiring separate snap-on modules or all-in-one handles. DJI Pocket 2 Standard Edition lacks a wireless connection and speaker, which really was a bad design choice in our opinion. And secondly, Pocket 3 needs a bigger display. It's possible that DJI could reuse the small display from DJI Action 2 in it. If that display is too big, then it would be ideal to increase the display size by 50 to 60 for better visibility while filming and to check focus. One of the main advantages of action cameras like GoPro or DJI Action is the built-in waterproofing. So, it would be great if DJI could make the upcoming Pocket 3 waterproof as well. Also, it would be an excellent feature to have a microphone jack that does not require a third-party microphone to be plugged in. We all know, modular-based designs are always good as the parts can be easily replaced or swapped the battery quickly. DJI Pocket 2 comes with a fixed battery that can last for a minimum of 1 to 2 hours. So, a removable battery design could become one of the key selling points if DJI introduces that in the Pocket series. Now, let's discuss when Pocket 3 can arrive. Renowned DJI Insider Deals drone recently posted on Twitter that DJI Pocket 3 is said to be announced in April of 2023. Although, the DJI Pocket 3 was originally anticipated to be released towards the end of 2023, this did not happen due to the Jam Product Police schedule. However, there are no significant product launches expected in 2023. So, it's highly likely that the new gimbal camera will be introduced to the market during this year. DJI has already improved upon the camera sensors in the range of consumer drones, and it seems that an upgrade for the DJI Pocket series is also on the horizon. It's very likely that this eagerly anticipated successor will be revealed in April. What are your thoughts on the upcoming DJI Pocket 3? Please share your ideas and expectations in the space provided below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more content like this.